simple recipe, nothing crazy, just leftover chicken and just something to snack on so the chicken doesn't go bad. So we're gonna get some mayonnaise, a nice heaping spoonful, and we're gonna mix that. Pickles, sweet pickles, and juice. You want to mix every ingredient thoroughly so it gets mixed really well. I'm doing onions.
Onion.
Chopped fine.
All right.
You can use any onions. I like the purple onions. Just gives it a different flavor.
It's like it's a little zestier too.
Yeah.
It got a little more kick, a little more bite than regular white onion. And it's not bad on the eyes either. You know,
right.
Aesthetically it makes it.
Yeah, it makes it pretty. I'm gonna do the celery.
Celery.
Chopped up.
Chop, chop.
It's for coloring. It gives it some crunch with the onions and a nice flavor. Now I'm gonna add eggs.
We got the eggs.
Exactly. I'm adding a little bit more mayonnaise because I got more ingredients in here. I want it kind of. So again, if you like it, going in.
Oh, thank you, baby. Just a dab. Yeah, or a dollop, whatever you want to call it. Pretty much to your taste.
Yep. Whatever you like.
If you want it more mustardy, if that's the word.
Lemon juice.
Yeah.
Some people like theirs a little sweeter. I like mine on the sweet side. Some people like theirs not sweet. That's why we do the sweet pickles.
Look at that, y'all. It's really coming together. It is really, really coming together.
But if I had like sandwich spread with everything in it already, I would use sandwich spread. As pickles, there's everything already in it.
I'm glad you brought that up, babe. That's another thing. Living on the continent and living in Tanzania, we really have to freestyle some things because we, you know, things that you're used to just walking in the store and it's there readily available. You just pick it up and you keep on moving. You know, you have to improvise. And that's another reason why we're making these videos, to just kind of share some ideas and show the possibilities, things you may have forgotten or don't know how to make. Well, here you go, and you can make it your own.
And this is my chicken salad.
Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that.